Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you 3 different ways how you can block ads on Safari. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, you can hide ads in Reader View on Safari. So Safari actually provides Reader View for users to enjoy an ad-free reading experience. So you can actually go and click right here, the button right here, as you can see, and you can click on this button to turn on the Reader View. This will block some of the ads on Safari. Now, second thing that you can do is you can actually block pop-ups in Safari. Safari can block pop-ups, offering extra barrier against malicious websites. To turn on this function, you go to Safari and then Preferences and then Websites, and then you will need to scroll down until you find pop-up windows, as you can see right here. And here you can customize how Safari handles pop-ups, right? Now, if you want to allow pop-ups on a specific website, you can visit the website in Safari and click Allow from the drop-down menu right here, as you can see. Now, if you want to block pop-ups, on all websites, then select Block and Notify, or block from the drop-down menus of both currently open websites, right? Now, you can also allow Safari to warn you about fraudulent sites, right? To enable this function, you can go to Preferences and then Security, and then you can tick the box next to Warn when visiting a fraudulent website. This is great if you want to just block fraudulent websites. And number 3 is obviously to use ad blocker to block ads and pop-ups. Adblock 1 is a great one. So it's free, so you can visit it right here, Adblock 1. As you can see, and then you can download it on App Store, right? Or on Chrome if you want to do it on Chrome as well. And yeah, this is pretty much the top 3 ways how you can block ads on Safari. If you have any questions or maybe comments, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.